दक्षिण का काशी वायनाड को कहा जाता है और वायनाड का मतलब है धान के खेतों की भूमि। वायनाड में इस बार मुकाबला बड़ा दिलचस्प है। मुकाबला इसलिए दिलचस्प है क्योंकि प्रियंका गांधी पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम पॉलिटिकल करियर में अगर देखा जाए तो इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स में आ रही हैं और वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ रही हैं। तो वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ रही हैं तो उनके सामने कौन है? जी हाँ, उनके सामने भारतीय जनता पार्टी की उम्मीदवार जो मेरे साथ अभी मौजूद है नव्या हरिदास। हरिदास की क्या रणनीति होगी प्रियंका गांधी के सामने, क्योंकि कहा जाता है कि होल्ड है गांधी परिवार का, कांग्रेस पार्टी का। स्वागत है आपका, वेलकम हम करते हैं। हम वायनाड में हैं, आपकी रणनीति क्या होगी? व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेटजी?
We are putting forward a strategy of the development only, because Wayanad have been facing so many problems from the few decades. These problems, people are telling these problems to the representatives, but these are not getting considered at all. Every time in the election manifesto, all these strategies are there, but it's never been executed on the ground. So Wayanad needs a total change in the field of this development. So our aim is to bring the development in Wayanad.
तो चेंज क्यों चाह रहा है वायनाड?
There are so many things that needs change in the health sector, agriculture structure, infrastructure, and the upliftment of the tribal community. The 10% of Wayanad people are tribal community, and their upliftment had been an issue for the past many decades. They lack education, they lack proper health, so these should be given priority. There, you know that Wayanad is such a beautiful place with lot of plantations, tea plantations, coffee plantations, cardamom, pepper, and also so famous for spices also. So we can understand that there are so many farmers. The major population of the Wayanad Mandal are farmers. These farmers are also not given any consideration by the people, the elected representatives. So in the agriculture sector also there needs a drastic change. And while we consider the infrastructure, they lack proper roads. The roads are so narrow and it's so congested, always fed up with the traffic blocks. So parallel road suggestions are there, but it's just only in the papers.
लेकिन आपके सामने प्रियंका गांधी हैं। प्रियंका गांधी बड़ी नेता हैं, पूरे देश में उन्होंने प्रचार किया है, कैंपेन किया है। तो प्रियंका गांधी कितनी बड़ी चैलेंज है आपके सामने?
I don't understand how you say that Priyanka Gandhi is a great leader, because she has never been into politics as a representative. I've been contested in 3 elections. This is my 4th election, and in the 2 elections I have won very successfully, bring up the BJP from the 3rd position to the 1st position. Priyanka Gandhi could only boast about her family background, her grandmother, father, mother, brother, and everyone. And as you see the yesterday's nomination also, she came with her family, with her husband and son. So people are saying that they are trying to introduce their next generation so that they can come and again compete from Wayanad. That family domination has been implemented. But from my side, I am filing my nomination today. None of my family members are accompanying me. Only BJP leaders, the state, national.
ये मना कौन कर रहा है?
क्या?
आप लेके आइए फैमिली मेंबर्स को, क्या उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम?
No, it's not like a family domination here. It's politics. The politics should be professional. So this professionalism should be there. And I don't want to introduce...
प्रोफेशनल है कि सेवा है?
Yes. No, it's not like that. There should be professionalism in politics. It's not just like blunder politics. I believe that whatever we do, there should be a professionalism. It's not like what you mean like profession. It's a professionalism. Yeah.
लेकिन नव्या, जो हम देख रहे हैं खासतौर पे अगर हम बात करें तो राहुल गांधी भी यहाँ से इलेक्शन लड़े। 3,64,000 के आसपास उन्होंने इलेक्शन यहाँ से जीता, और उसके बाद प्रियंका गांधी आ रही। तो ये कितना बड़ा चैलेंज होगा आपके लिए?
If you roam around, you can still see Rahul Gandhi's hoardings. It's not yet faded. Before the posters have been faded, a new poster is coming, his sister's posters. So this itself, the people of Wayanad are so irritated. They were always ready for elections, but they are not ready for by-elections. And considering the strategy of the Wayanad now, they have recently hit by a huge disaster in Churalmala landslide. Many lives have been lost. So they are trying to reconstruct or rebuild their lives. And in this time, in this disaster hit time, their politician had just left Wayanad as such because he wants to retain a seat in North India, which is his priority. We see that Rahul Gandhi has just come to Wayanad. because he was so sure that he couldn't get any seats in North India. Wayanad Mandal being a Congress dominated Mandal, the people of the Wayanad never have been looking for who's the candidate. They have just been looking for just the symbol of the Congress. But now the scenario has completely changed. The people have now faith that if they elect someone from these outside the state, they won't be here. The people cannot see them. They don't have any direct access to the leaders. They can't address their problems with the leaders.
तो उनका कहना था राहुल गांधी का कि हम डायरेक्टली जो है कनेक्टेड हैं यहाँ की पब्लिक से और पब्लिक को लेके हमने काम किया है और जब यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड हुई थी तो सबसे पहले पार्लियामेंट में राहुल गांधी ने इस इशू को रेज किया। उनका ये कहना है और उनका एक और कहना है कि वायनाड 2 MP चुनेगा, एक राहुल गांधी एक प्रियंका गांधी।
That itself shows that Priyanka Gandhi is a lesser candidate. If an MP is stable, if an MP is powerful, then it requires only one MP. If Rahul Gandhi says that he will be also another MP, a parallel MP, so he shows that Priyanka Gandhi has not that confidence. Priyanka Gandhi is not efficient in this seat. So that should be like that. We cannot blame the family domination and come to the politics and say that there are 2 MPs. Why did he opt Raebareli? He could have opted this beautiful Wayanad. So we know that all this family considerations.
जीते तो एक को तो आपको सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, एक को छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
Then he could have left North India and selected Wayanad because for the last 5 years when he didn't get any seats in North India.
उनका कहना ये था कि इसीलिए तो मैं अपनी बहन प्रियंका गांधी को भेज रहा हूँ यहाँ से।
Yes. They wanted to introduce Priyanka Gandhi in a sure seat for Congress. So that's why they have opted for Priyanka Gandhi. Last time in the elections she didn't compete. She could have competed from Uttar Pradesh or Delhi or whichever place they liked.
Okay, Navya, लेकिन one thing is very important. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे पोस्टर्स बड़े-बड़े लगाए हैं जिसमें PM मोदी का भी है, इसमें JP नड्डा का भी है और सिर्फ 2 ही चेहरे हैं, बाकी कोई लीडर ज़्यादा इसमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। क्यों, ऐसा क्यों?
हमारे लीडर्स का पिक्चर्स तो अंदर है, हमारी लीडर्स का पिक्चर्स तो इधर का पूरा लोग का जानता है। Yesterday's road show, just look at the front row. Who can you see? No Congress leaders were in the front row in that road show. That itself has created many allegations within the party, within the Congress, and in today's politics, the Congress is facing a real issue because the Congress leaders are being put in the back rows, and some their alliances have been in the front row.
लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन और है कि अगर हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आपने बीटेक किया
Yes.
है ना, IT प्रोफेशनल है आप सिंगापुर भी चली गई, सिंगापुर से वापस आ गए, आपने चुनाव भी लड़ लिया, तो इतना अच्छा प्रोफेशन चल रहा था तो फिर पॉलिटिक्स क्यों?
Not only Singapore, I was working with HSBC in Hyderabad, then got married and my husband is a marine engineer. So I went with him to Singapore. I was there in Singapore for 4 years. And then we shifted to Holland for 6 months. Then we were in Azerbaijan for 8 months. Then in between we traveled to many other countries also. So it's like we came for a vacation to India because my husband had to work in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro for a project. So at that time this election came and it was a woman reservation ward, my ward, Kozhikode Corporation. So my party asked me to compete for that election. It's actually a never win seat for BJP. BJP was in the 3rd position, so the victory was not at all.
यही क्वेश्चन मेरा है कि बीजेपी 3rd पे पहले भी थी और इस बार आपको सामने उतार दिया बलि का बकरा बनाने के लिए, चलो नव्या को बलि का बकरा बना देते हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं है?
I think my party is also so confident in my capabilities. I am also confident that I can bring a drastic change in the politics because being with the people with the past experience, the people can readily mingle with me. I don't think your channel will ever.
बकरा नहीं है फिर?
I don't think you will ever get a chance to meet with Priyanka Gandhi and take an interview because there are so many protocols.
मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज किए हैं, मैंने राहुल गांधी के भी किए हैं, मैंने तमाम बड़े नेताओं के किए हैं, प्रियंका
The local medias never get any access to them. Yesterday also you can see that the people were not able to reach to her. They were.
सब लोग तो थे अंदर, लेकिन सवाल अब ये है कि कुछ लोग यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं उनका ये कहना है नव्या कि 4 लाख 5 लाख से मार्जिन से प्रियंका गांधी जीतेंगी, तो आप हारने के लिए फिर क्यों आई हैं?
We are not here to lose, we are here to win. We are here to bring a change. We are here to bring developments to Wayanad. If the people are thinking that they really need a development, they must think twice. And I believe from the last 4 days, the response that we are getting from the people, from the public, from the mothers of the Wayanad, that they needs a change. They need someone to issues their tell their real needs. They needs a person who will find solutions for their problems.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन और बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है नव्या, क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि सोनिया गांधी आई, राहुल गांधी आए, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आए, तो आपके प्रचार के लिए मोदी जी आएंगे, जेपी नड्डा जी आएंगे?
That's under party consideration. Definitely leaders will come.
आप बुलाएंगी?
हाँ, definitely.
तो अगर नहीं आएंगे तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
Definitely ज़रूर आएंगे.
आएंगे।
Yes.
अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन कि सीपीआई भी यहाँ से लड़ रही है चुनाव, तो असली मुकाबला किससे है, प्रियंका गांधी से या सीपीआई से?
Priyanka Gandhi, the Congress and the CPI is actually part of Indie Alliance. So I don't know why
इंडिया अलायंस या इंडिया अलायंस?
India Alliance. We see in other states also we have seen that they have just put forward one candidate. I don't understand why this alliance is keeping two candidates. And the CPI is never in picture. We couldn't see. I have been working on the ground for the last many days, but we couldn't see any the candidates or the party workers of CPI. So they are never in picture. I think they are working together like in the other states also. So here the fight is between BJP and this alliance.
थैंक यू सो मच नव्या हरिदास मेरे साथ थी एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक। तो लगातार नव्या हरिदास भी प्रचार कर रही हैं, लेकिन प्रियंका गांधी को लेकर अगर कहा जाए तो यहाँ से ये बेहतर कैंडिडेट है और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने प्रियंका गांधी को लेकर अपनी रणनीति तो बनाई दी है, लेकिन नव्या हरिदास यंग है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने इनको चुनावी मैदान में उतारा है। जब हमने इनसे बात की, इनसे पूछा कि कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं बीजेपी ने आपको बलि का बकरा बना दिया, तो उनका कहना है कि नहीं, मैं बलि का बकरा नहीं हूँ, वायनाड के अंदर हूँ और वायनाड के अंदर से, वायनाड की धरती से आपको हम पल पल की ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट दिखा रहे हैं और बताने की यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सियासी मिजाज दक्षिण के काशी का क्या है। हमारे सहयोगी सुभाष चंद्र के साथ मोहित राज दुबे, न्यूज़ नेशन, वायनाड।